Reno by Oppo, the upcoming smartphone series from the Chinese company has finally been publicly listed. The Oppo Reno was spotted on a Chinese e-commerce listing, revealing some key specs and price. Oppo will be unveiling the new Reno series on April 10th. The listed Oppo Reno smartphone is the toned-down version of the original smartphone. The company is expected to unveil 2 or 3 Oppo smartphones at the April 10th event. The upcoming Reno series has been earlier tipped to be available in 2 models, standard and flagship. The top-end Oppo Reno will be powered by the current Qualcomm flagship chipset, the Snapdragon 855 processor. The standard Oppo Reno variant or the affordable version will come with the Snapdragon 710 chipset. Coming to the design, the Oppo Reno series will come with gradient back design featuring a non-porous finish. Up front, the Reno top model will come with a 93.1 screen-to-body ratio like Find X. The smartphone will have a full-screen dynamic AMOLED display offering Full HD and resolution. The flagship model is expected to run on a 4065 mAh battery backed by VOOC 3.0 fast charging technology. Both the Reno smartphones will run on the latest ColorOS 6.0 software based on Android 9 Pie. The top-end Snapdragon 855 Oppo Reno smartphone will come with better cameras and added features. Coming to optics, the flagship Reno will come with a triple camera setup, while the affordable Oppo Reno has only 2 cameras at the back. Even the leaked list of specs of the affordable Oppo Reno on JD.com shows a rear dual camera system. The flagship Oppo Reno, on the other hand, will come with the special 10x lossless hybrid optical zoom technology based on a periscope, similar to Huawei P30 Pro. The smartphone will feature a 48MP Sony IMX586 primary sensor. It will additionally sport a super wide-angle snapper with a 120-degree field-of-view telephoto lens. In comparison, the standard Reno come without any hybrid zoom technology. Let's share